Is your garage door making more noise than it should? In the Albion Park Rail area, a common issue homeowners face is worn rollers. These rollers are crucial for ensuring your garage door slides smoothly along its tracks. When they wear out or get damaged, they can lead to a noisy, jerky operation that not only is annoying, but can also lead to more serious door issues over time. Don't let worn rollers disrupt your day. Call 04097741111 today and have your garage door assessed and repaired by our qualified professionals. Ensure your garage door works silently and seamlessly once again with just one phone call.